Hello everyone, it is day 18 of Ultimate Reset. We are getting there, only 3 more days to go. Friday is our last day. So, some news to report. I am officially exactly 6 pounds lighter than from when I started. So that's exciting, and my shorts are falling off today, so I need a belt and maybe some new shorts and pants. But we started off the morning with a bowl of fruit. Yummy, 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 yummy. I love my fruit. And for lunch I had a spinach jicama salad with tomatoes and avocado, and that was really good. And then for dinner we had something kind of unique. We had roasted fennel bulbs. Kind of has a smell of licorice and a texture of an onion, so it has that nice little crunch, and it was really good. So I had that with some roasted veggies and some brown rice. So other than that, it's been a good day, been a busy day, and nothing else really new to report. So we will see you again tomorrow night. Have a good rest of your evening.